Billy Batson. I choose you as champion. Lay your hands on my staff.
Gross. You've run from foster homes in 6 counties, Mr. Batson. From good people. Give these people a chance. Because that's what they're giving you.
This is Billy Batson. Make sure you make him feel at home.
Say my name so my powers may flow through you.
I don't know your name, sir. We just met.
My name is Shazam.
Are you for real?
Say, okay! Shazam?
I said don't scream! It's Billy! What's happening?
You're the only person that I know that knows anything about this Cape Crusader stuff.
Electricity manipulation, hyperspeed, super strength. Dude, you're stacked! You have bullet immunity!
I'm bulletproof. You're dead.
You're like a bag of rice.
And you think this is who you are? You do nothing. You take selfies and make people pay you. All this power, and all you did was turn into a show-off and a bully.
What's up? I'm a superhero.
Yeah, his name is Captain Sparkle Fingers.
No, it's not. No, it's not. That's not my name.